And jury deliberations continue this morning in the trial of a former Minneapolis police officer who shot and killed an unarmed yoga teacher. Mohamed Noor faces several charges in the death of Justine Damond. She had called 911 to report a possible sexual assault near her home in July of 2017. Noor says he was startled by Damond on the scene and shot her, fearing an ambush. Adriana Diaz is at the Hennepin County Courthouse in Minneapolis. Adriana, good morning.
Good morning, John. The jury of 10 men and 2 women sat through 60 witnesses during the 2 weeks of testimony. They also saw graphic body camera footage showing the attempt to resuscitate Justine Damond after Noor shot her. Prosecutors say Noor acted unreasonably, but his defense says he saw Damond as a threat. Now it's up to the jury to decide.
Former Minneapolis police officer Mohamed Noor said nothing as he left court Monday afternoon. He's charged with 3 crimes in the death of 40-year-old Justine Damond: second-degree murder with intent, second-degree manslaughter, and third-degree murder. He took the stand last week and tried to explain why he shot her. On July 15, 2017, Damond called 911 to report a possible sexual assault near her home. Noor said with their squad car lights off, he and his partner drove down an alley searching for a suspect. While the car was stopped, he said they heard a loud slap on the side of the vehicle, and Damond appeared outside the driver's window. Fearing for his partner's life, Noor said he fired at Damond from the passenger seat.
If you are a police officer who is involved in a shooting with deadly force, Minnesota law is very good to you.
CBS News legal analyst Ricky Kleeman says Minnesota law allows officers to use deadly force if they perceive a threat.
The issue of the slap is the most significant item in this trial. If the juror doesn't believe that the slap occurred, he's getting convicted.
During closing arguments, Noor's defense attorney slapped his lectern to simulate the sound that allegedly startled the officers. But prosecutors say that slap never happened, and none of Damond's DNA was found on the car, which was washed days after the incident.
Where you place your attention is where you place your energy.
Damond, a life coach and yoga teacher, was from Australia. She died a month before her wedding. Her fiancé said at the time he could hardly imagine going on without her.
Our lives are forever changed as a result of knowing her.
Damond's fiancé and her family have been in the courtroom during the trial. Now, the jury is being sequestered until they reach a verdict. If Noor is convicted of the most serious charge, he could face up to 40 years in prison. Gayle?
It's a very difficult case. Thank you very much, Adriana.